Hello, and welcome to my channel, where we talk about skincare, the royal family, hot topics, and travel. If that sounds good to you, stick around and let's get into today's Oive of the day.
Terrible thing to be lonesome, especially in the middle of a crowd. You know what I mean?
COVID surveillance robots start rolling out in Europe. The robot does the following: vaccine passport certification, mask checking, and temperature checking.
Ik zie dat je een geldig certificaat hebt. Masker aanpassen. Masker aanpassen. Masker aanpassen. Mevrouw, dit masker is oké. Mevrouw, dit masker is oké. Masker aan. Masker aan. Masker aan.
Fight you all like a man and beat you down with our hands, the body slam you at the wall.
I ain't one to gossip, so if anyone asks you, you ain't heard it from me. No, you haven't.
Better days. We will be with our friends again. We will be with our families again. We will meet again.